In this video, I'll teach you how to edit with Seedance 2.0. So by the end of this video, you would know exactly how to prompt and how to create cool videos like this.
My hands, they're glowing! This isn't normal.
I think we were chosen.
Lumstein's only prostus.
I'll stop the fire! The children, come with me. I'll take care of the injured. Thank you. You saved us.
Hold on, I've got you.
I'm getting everyone out. You're safe now.
God bless all of you.
We don't need recognition. We only want to protect people.
Every life we save is worth it.
As long as this city needs us.
We will always be here.
Now let's create a prompt. You head over to your ChatGPT, then you tell ChatGPT this idea you have. Okay, if you don't have any idea, just tell it to create a story for you. Like for example, I told ChatGPT to create a short story about 3 boys and 2 girls with supernatural power. Okay, helping people in need. So I just gave ChatGPT that idea and told it to create a story for me. I told it to describe the characters in each scene. I told it to give me the image prompts, the dialogue. I told it to give me multiple camera angles for each scene. I told it to give me the emotions, okay, the acts, just to make this very, very interesting, relatable, and cute. So you can just pause and go through the prompt so you would know how to edit it and create your own prompt. ChatGPT gave me the character description of each person, the 3 boys and the 2 girls. Okay, so this is what it did here. It described everything I need to know about the characters. Then it gave me the story, the summary of the story. After it gave me the story of the story, it divided the story into different scenes. Okay, for scene 1, it gave us the dialogue, it gave us the image prompt, it gave us the camera angles. We asked it to give us different camera angles. It gave us the emotions, the acts. It gave us everything like that for each scene, for scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and scene 5. Because I told you to give me a short story, so I'm okay with 5 scenes. So the next thing you do now is to go through your story, read it. I went to the story and I noticed that languages were in pidgin, so I told ChatGPT to correct it and give me English language. I want them to speak in English language. So that was what I did here, as you can see. So I now told ChatGPT that when writing the dialogue, it should put the specific character that is talking so that the AI video generator would be able to know and create a very good video for me. And ChatGPT did just that. Okay, now make sure you go through each line in your scene. Make sure you read every story, so in case there's any part you don't like, you edit it. Now that we're okay with our prompt, head over to our browser and type $AI. It's going to open to this interface. Then the first one, you tap on it. $AI also has an app, so you can download the app if you don't want to use the website, but I'm cool with the website. So this is how it looks like. You make sure you sign in with your email. Then you see this icon I highlighted. You tap on it. You're going to see new chat AI creation. You tap on AI creation. Okay, once you type on it, you're going to see this interface. Then you see where they wrote image, video, reference image, and 3 dots. You're going to tap on the image. This is how the interface of this will look like. You tap on image because we're going to use this website to create an image first before we create the video. So once we type on image, you tap on that 3 dot icon, then you see aspect ratio and style. You select the aspect ratio, then you paste the image prompt for scene 1 that you copied from ChatGPT. If you've not copied your image prompt, just head back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt for scene 1. Then you paste it back here on the app. Then that arrow that is facing up, you tap on it to generate the image. And immediately your image will get generated. Beautiful, clean, and clear images. Then you tap on each image so you can see what they look like. It will give you 4 images, so you can just pick any one you like out of the 4. Okay, you see this arrow that is facing down, you tap on it to download the images into your phone. Or you see this arrow that is also facing down where the images are, you can also tap on those arrows to download the image into your phone, or this three dot icon, you can tap on it, you'll see download, and you download the images into your phone, and our scene 1 image is ready. To create the next image for scene 2, you see this three dot icon near that create image, you tap on it, you see reference image, you tap on reference image, you select your photo library or from files, you select the image for scene 1 that we generated just now. So once you select it, it's going to load. Okay, once it loads, that's the reference image we are going to use to create the other images for the other scenes. We need a reference image because we want all our images to be consistent. We don't want the AI to give us a totally new or different image. That's why we are using scene 1 image as our reference image. So once it's finished loading, as you can see, you go back to your ChatGPT app to copy the image prompt for scene 2. Once you copy it, you go back to the $AI platform to paste it there. Then you tap on that arrow that is facing up to generate the image, and your image will get generated ASAP. Then you can download it into your phone. So just follow the same step to create the image for the remaining scene. I have to create the remaining image off camera, so this video will not be too long. So now our images are ready. Let's create the video. You're going to tap on that create image to delete it. Then you see more, you tap on more. You're going to see create image, create video, wait and tap on create video because we want to create the video now. Then you see this three icon, this three dotted icon, you tap on it. You're going to see reference image Seedance 2.05, which is the AI model we're going to be using. If you tap on it, you'll see Seedance 1.0 fast 2, but we're okay with Seedance 2.0. You're going to select your duration, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. I pick 10 seconds. Then you select your aspect ratio. Okay, there are a lot of aspect ratio here. Select the one you like. I picked 16:9. So now you're going to tap on that three dotted icon again. The reference image, which was the first one, you tap on it. You see photo library, take photo, choose file. The images I downloaded there in my photo library. So I tap on photo library. I pick the image for scene 1. So we're creating scene 1 video first. So the reference image is going to load. You allow it to load. Once it's loaded, you head over to your ChatGPT to copy your dialogue prompt. Okay. So once you get to your ChatGPT, you're going to look for the dialogue for scene 1 video because we're going to start creating scene 1 video first. So you are going to copy both the camera angles, the emotions, the dialogue. Okay, you're going to copy everything together. We're not copying only the dialogue because we want different camera angles in our video. We want emotions. We want the video to be very realistic. So once you copy everything with your dialogue, you go back to the $AI platform and paste it there. Tap on this arrow that's facing up to generate our video, and just like that, your video is going to get generated. Once your video get generated, you're going to tap on the video to watch it. Okay, once you watch it and you are satisfied with it, you see this arrow that's facing down. You're going to tap on that arrow to download the video into your phone, and you are ready. Now let's watch the video before we create scene 2 video.
What is happening to us?
My hands, they're glowing! This isn't normal.
I think we were chosen.
Now let's create scene 2 video. You see that three dotted icon, tap on it. You see reference image, tap on it. You select scene 2 image from your photo library. Okay, once you've selected the image from scene 2, it's going to load. Once it's load, you're going to tap on that three dotted icon again. Once you tap on it, you're going to select your aspect ratio, your duration, the AI model. Just check to make sure it's in Seedance 2.0 fast. Okay, once everything is ready and the image has already loaded, you're going to head back to ChatGPT to copy your prompt. You copy dialogue prompt to the camera angles, the emotions. You copy everything together. Then you go back to the $AI platform and paste it there. You tap on that arrow that is facing up to generate your video. Once your video gets generated, you tap on it to watch it. Then the arrow that is facing down, you're going to tap on the arrow to download it into your phone. Now let's watch the
Slides on the process.
Now you're going to use the same process step by step to generate the remaining videos. I had to generate the remaining videos off camera, so this video will not be too long. Now let's watch them.
I'll stop the fire! The children, come with me. I'll take care of the injured.
Thank you. You saved us.
Hold on. I've got you.
I'm getting everyone out. You're safe now.
God bless all of you.
We don't need need recognition. We only want to protect people.
Every life we save is worth it.
As long as this city needs us.
We will always be here.
In case you run out of credit, just tap on this thing I highlighted. You're going to see this interface. You go down, you see your email, you tap on your email, okay? Then you're going to see logout. You tap on logout. Once you log out, you log into another email, okay? Then you start creating new videos. So this is the trick we use, okay? Anytime you run out of points or credit, you log out of the email and log into another email. Now I hope you've been able to learn a lot from today's tutorial. If you have any question on today's tutorial, do well to drop it in the comment section and I will do well to reply. If you have any questions on any of our previous tutorials, you can also do well to drop it in the comment section. I will do well to reply. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more. See you all in our next tutorial class. I love you all. Toodles!